So on the BNB chart, the idea is that a low formed there in August 24, like on the Bitcoin chart, and there was a fourth wave, formed the fifth wave into the December highs that formed a completed larger third wave, then a pullback into the March lows in wave 4, and now we could indeed be in that fifth wave to the upside. And in terms of targets, I mean, I'd really like it to get sort of into this area between $940 and $1,180. It could certainly stretch higher, but I think if we are now kind of in the late stages maybe of this third wave, then there could be one more higher low in wave 4 and one more higher high in wave 5. That's broadly in line with Bitcoin, even though BNB moves kind of independent. I see it as a diagonal structure, and if a larger fourth wave bottomed in March, then we are now in the third wave, which would be an ABC structure because it's probably a diagonal structure, best I can tell. And the C wave should end somewhere in this region here. But because it's still pushing, it likely is going to reach 876 next, 915. That would not be a surprise, yeah. And then a fourth wave pullback, and support is at the moment $707 to $768. I have to actually add the 61.8 fib level because it might be a diagonal structure, as I said. So it should not break anymore below $681 in this uptrend. But yeah, the reward to risk profile isn't very attractive at the moment. It was in the B wave support area. It was in this larger wave 4 support area. Now we're coming, yeah, it's obviously not. So yeah, there's one chart where I say we don't really get clean patterns on the 1 hour chart. So yeah, you don't really have much structure to work with there. Could be that we had here something like a small 1-2 setup. See, it doesn't really lend itself to micro or nano counting, but it might very well be that this is now the fifth wave of the C wave. Because then this was another 1, 2, and this might have been another 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that could work. Even though I would say take micro counting here with a pinch of salt. Not all charts are as clear as Solana or Bitcoin. And then this is a 1, 2. And we should still be in the third, so there could be another 4, 5. So yeah. And this is the nearest support Fibonacci zone. Basically, it means below $781. It might mean that circle wave 3 is topped, and we're starting the pullback in circle wave 4, which could literally start at any time, but with that upside momentum, it would rather suggest we push a little bit higher there in a very direct fashion before we start circle wave 4.